Meanwhile, we flew to Vienna, made 3 giant chocolate bars, drank a 1,000-year-old Aztec drink, and someone broke the chocolate. Oh no.
What are you making?
Chocolado. Mix this up with a big I got
Are you covered in chocolate?
Welcome to Boyo, Vienna's wildest chocolate museum. Molten rivers of chocolate, Aztec history, and the air smells like brownies. Step 1. Wash your hands like you're about to enter a chocolate lab, then gloves, then apron, and you're cleared for delicious duty.
You don't look like a burrito, like a burrito.
Watch the coach.
I will give you now my presentation. We have to be careful where we start our chocolate making. White and milk chocolate, they are made with milk. The white chocolate is made without any cocoa powder. So this is why we can either make 3 same chocolates, 3 white or 3 milk or 3 dark, or you can make combination white and milk. And the second option is dark and milk. You may wonder what kind of a chocolate this is. This is actually just white chocolate food coloring. Just to make this announcement very special, it is special that we have 100% pure chocolate. That one is all over there. It has 0 sugar, 0 additives, 100% pure cocoa mass.
They've got 4 types of chocolate, white pink milk and 100% pure dark cocoa.
Okay, let's do this. You are pro! Wow, look at this. Ready? Okay. Can I help you a little bit? There you go. Okay, clean both sides. Clean this one. I will hold the phone lower so you can see better. Hold the spatula. And let's go. Left, right, left, right. Let's see, when you shake it should be nice, colorful, and flat. You like it?
Bar 1, Theo's, milk plus pink with gummy bears, M&M's, sprinkles.
Do you want 100%?
So we're going to go like this. 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
Come on. Do your fantastic.
1, 2, 3.
Okay? And wait, don't run away. I need you here. Good. And can you give me more about the machine? So when we do the big swoosh. Start with this one because it's already kind of set. We have one more to make.
Mama, you want me to put up this?
Yes, I want you to do it one more. You need to be quick because this one is already setting.
Mamma mia.
Yeah, man.
Bar 2, Mom's, dark plus milk,
All right.
coconut, coffee beans, sunflower seeds.
Now go get the last one.
1, 2, 3. And push the chocolate in. Let's go to the big chocolate. 1, 2. the Joker.
How do I wipe it off?
You don't.
Why?
Why should you? It's just a sweet thing.
And now, the final topping bar, coffee, more coffee, and even more coffee. Can you guess who is the coffee lover in our family? While our bars chilled in the fridge, we went 1,000 years back in time.
Everyone, whenever you finish and eat your bag from the table, we're going to continue with the hot chocolate as we promised. Now, this is going to be the part 2. Every chocolate is in the fridge. We'll start to count down. In about 10 minutes from now, you will be able to pack your chocolates.
They gave us cacao beans and a grinding stone, no machines, just warrior energy. And said, make drink of the warriors.
It's a very traditional tool for making hot chocolate.
So 3 spoons, okay?
Secret Aztec recipe. 3 scoops chocolate mix 2 spoons brown sugar plus 1 for luck, 3 scoops milk powder, pinch of cinnamon, and hot water. Stir like your life depends on it.
And put in 1 more for good luck.
Mix this up, gonna be very
So good, 3 scoops there. Okay, that's good enough. Put a cinnamon.
chocolate in a powder. Now I need milk. Where's the milk? That is very hot one. I thought that was milk.
Cheers. Jubilee.
No, we need to tap it. This one is out. Okay, that's one.
Bars are ready, and Mom broke one, but that's okay. It can happen to anyone.
It's okay. You see, everybody has a little bit of broken ice. It's okay.
But there's now even more space if we make it a bit smaller.
That's right.
Daddy, look! Mom broke it.
What do you have in there?
Chocolate. Chocolado.
Now you finished chocolate.
We're giving away 20 Mozart music boxes. Comment Sweet Legend to enter. We wrapped them in gold, got our official BOYO certificates,
What do you have there?
The diploma.
Oh, wow.
and earned the title Legends of Chocolate.
Here's my chocolate.
But this is just the beginning. Next up, part 2, the Mozart Kugel history, marzipan, pistachios, chocolate drama. Make sure you subscribe and watch it next week.
Stay on the chocolate making path.